What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I will show you how you can get this ChatGPT Go 1 year plan, like it's free, and how you can get this without any credit card or without any payment method. So let us start with the video. So this plan is basically available for the if you are living in India, and that's it. Then all you have to do is just open the ChatGPT and you will find this subscription plan. As you can see this banner here, try it Go free for the 12 months, and now we have to click on here like upgrade to Go. Then it will ask us to payment method, so let's just add a card, and you will find some virtual card at our Telegram channel, so you can go and just check it out there. Then we have to save this card. Okay, the card bin has been added, so now we have to slide this slide to subscribe. Okay, now it's processing, so we have to wait some second. Okay, as you can see this pop-up, and now we have successfully subscribed to our ChatGPT Go plan, and I'll click on the no thanks. So basically the aim of this adding this card is so it will not deduct any payment from your actual the real card, so you can use this type of virtual card, and you will find this virtual card at our Telegram channel, so you can go and just check it out there. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can go consider to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.